Hey guys, welcome back. So today's vlog is about a week of my life, a week in my life. Right now I'm going for an event. You guys enjoy my vlogs a lot. I have received DMs about this. I've received comments about this saying that you want to see a lot more of my life. So I'm trying, guys. I am trying to vlog as much as I can. So this week is gonna be fun. I have a couple of events. Today I'm gonna go to this Swiggy birthday bash which is happening at the West Side Pavilion, and I need to get ready for that. So I'm gonna do very light makeup. Like there will be hardly any makeup, just some concealer and some lipstick. So I'll quickly get ready before I go out. So for my concealer, I am going to apply the Mamaearth Glow Hydrating Concealer with vitamin C and turmeric. I love the packaging. It's very transparent, minimalistic, and it's gorgeous. I've got 3 shades with me. I've got the Ivory Glow, Creme Glow, and Nude Glow. I think this one will suit me the most, which is the Creme Glow number 2. मैं foundation भी Mamaearth का इसी shade का use करती हूँ, Creme Glow, and I think this is going to be the perfect match for me. I will just swatch all the shades. So this is number 2, Creme Glow. This is number 3, Nude Glow. And this is number 1, Ivory Glow. Mamaearth's makeup products are enriched with the goodness of natural ingredients like vitamin C, turmeric, and almond oil. You do not need to worry about using these products daily because they are made safe certified, which means they contain no toxins, and they're also long lasting. So let me try and blend it. I mean, it just took seconds to blend, and wow, it just blends like a dream. And this concealer has got 100% spot coverage and 12 hours of hydration. I think I'm gonna also try this shade, which is Nude Glow. I think ये ज़्यादा perfect रहेगा मेरे लिए. Can you just see how buildable it is and how beautifully it blended? The concealer is very lightweight. It does not feel heavy on your under eye area. So my under eye area looks so bright and beautiful. And one amazing thing about Mamaearth is that every time you buy anything from Mamaearth, Mamaearth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. And by 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. Mamaearth has their official app, and I'll also link their iOS and Android links in the description box below. If you're an app user, you'll get early access to sales and get lots of extra discounts. You can use my coupon code SUSH2022 for 20% off on Mamaearth's website as well as their app. The products are also available on Nykaa, Amazon, and Flipkart. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And now let's go ahead with the vlog. Oh my god, guys, there are so many cabs standing here. I think it's gonna be really crowded, so let's see. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा crowd रहा तो हम लोग वापस बाहर आ जाएंगे, और अगर crowd ठीक ठाक रहा कि oh my god, I can already see the crowd. It's really crowded. So as we entered the West Side Pavilion, we saw how crowded it was. People were busy clicking pictures, but honestly I thought it will be a little bit more crowded. And ooh, my favorite desserts from Little Pleasures, they're yummy. I guess this is the tandoor section, all the street foods here. This is really nice. I think these things should keep on happening in Calcutta because I feel like I'm actually somewhere else, not in Calcutta. Last time मैं यहाँ पे आई थी, सनम का concert था, and this time it's all about food. Oh God, guys, अभी मैंने देखा कुछ नाइट्रोजन आइसक्रीम, कुछ तो था किसी के हाथ में, and I couldn't control myself. I was like, oh, मुझे चाहिए. And the person who's with me got so embarrassed. I can be embarrassing at times, not always, but sometimes. Oh my God, Mishti. जितना खाना देखने के बाद डिसाइड किया कि साउथ इंडियन, लेट्स जस्ट गो फॉर साउथ इंडियन क्योंकि डोसा कॉफी इज माय फेवरेट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू द साउथ इंडियन काउंटर. इट्स वेरी नॉइजी, बहुत हल्का आवाज़ आएगा मेरा, पर मैं ज़्यादा चला नहीं सकती. एनीवे आई एम वेरी वेरी शाई ऑफ व्लॉगिंग, बट मुझे पता नहीं आज कहाँ से इतना एनर्जी मिल रहा है व्लॉग करने का. Right now going to the dosa coffee counter. So the first counter is Ramani, and we decided to try the rice noodles. So let's see how it is. Thank you. It's so hot. It's actually good. It's like lemon rice, but it's like noodle lemon rice. Okay, so done with the lemon rice and cold drink पीने के लिए like मैं तरस रही हूँ but यहाँ पे कोई cold drink का कुछ है ही नहीं. So I'm just going and I'm just looking for a cold drink का counter. So here's Jimmy's Cocktails. It's pretty famous by the way. Finally we found cold drink, वो भी बिना किसी fizz के. And here this ice cream from Ice Cream Factory. Oh my god, I can't even tell you how much I loved it. You can see for yourself how much I loved it. The flavor was like blueberry with some cake mixed in it. It was yum. It's never enough when it's ice cream. Then I tried these crystal dumplings and it was okayish. It was different. The texture was like gelatin. Didn't enjoy it much. Hey guys, good evening. आज है 31st August, Ganesh Chaturthi. It's a very auspicious day. Today is a very special day for me क्योंकि आज पहली बार मुझे किसी स्टोर में बुलाया गया है to inaugurate that store and it's a big thing for me. I know that it's happening because of my YouTube and obviously because of you guys. आप लोगों की प्यार की वजह से and all the love and support that you guys have showered on me. I am so grateful for your love and support. Thank you so much guys. I know I can't thank you enough for this. Keep loving me, keep showering all your love so that मैं और आगे जा सकूँ. मैं बाद में दिखाऊंगी मेरा full outfit. अभी मेकअप करना बाकी है. 5 बजे मैं निकलूंगी क्योंकि 6 o'clock is the inauguration और मुझे वहाँ पे टाइम पे पहुँचना है. आज मैं लेट नहीं हो सकती. आज चौधरी आई नहीं है तो घर का हालत थोड़ा सा खराब है. एंड सो फॉर दिस स्पेशल डे आई डेफिनेटली वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली बी व्लॉगिंग इट फॉर यू गाइज सो दैट आप लोगों को ऐसा लगे कि आप लोग मेरे साथ है क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ आप लोग मेरे साथ रहे. दिस वे आई कैन शेयर माई हैप्पीनेस विथ यू गाइज. आई गिव यू अ फुल शॉट ऑफ माई आउटफिट एंड माई मेकअप एंड एवरीथिंग. आई जस्ट गेट रेडी राइट नाउ एंड सी यू जब हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं. Here's a little fast forward of me applying makeup. Hey guys, so this is how my makeup looks. Very simple. और यहाँ पे छोटा सा एक बिंदी. I got this earring from Westside. My suit is from Biba. Here's me taking some real last minute shots for my Instagram reel. Here you can see Kolkata prepping up before the pujas. I love lights. Finally, the special moment. I'll always remember this moment. The hosts were super nice and made me feel so special and comfortable. And this moment, oh my god. Can you imagine me inaugurating a store? It's such a pretty, cute like shop and I really like this saree. Personally, I love this one because it's Bangal. Dhakai. And I'm a Dhakai who pochando. Season 1, it's her store and such a young age. Tanya, how do you feel? I'm so proud of you.
I'm so happy and so glad that you came to launch my store. I'm so happy. She's
My
such
pleasure.
a sweetheart.
My pleasure. This beautiful saree. It's a Dhakai and it's for 1600. This one. It's so pretty and so beautiful. পুজোর সময় পরলে ভীষণ সুন্দর লাগবে. Finally going back home. Another beautiful day in Kolkata and came to First Flush for lunch. It's a super cute boutique cafe and they were prepping up for some gig. So it's Saturday, 3rd September. Right now it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I've come here to, oh my god, there's something on my lips. Is there something on my lips? So I have come to First Flush and I am here for lunch. Today in the morning I woke up late as usual. It's Saturday. I was thinking of taking a membership in a club, you know, so that I can go swim and play tennis maybe or go to the gym, and it was really pending since a long time. So today I did it, yes. So here I am right now in First Flush having lunch and I ordered tea. Obviously, you know, I cannot do without my cup of tea. This is my Gopal Dhara First Flush tea. Gopal Dhara First Flush had an amazing flavor. Oh yeah, it is good. So since I have to go to the gym, so right now I am looking for some gymming shoes. So ordered some sandwich and noodles. यहाँ पे noodles बिल्कुल कोलकाता street style बनाया जाता है. First Flush is a boutique cafe and this is famous through word of mouth. यहाँ पे gigs होते रहता है. For example, Orko, Shahana Bajpai and a lot of other well-known singers. So I love coming back here. শুধু লেমনটা দেবেন আর একটু হালকা salt. একদম হালকা salt আর লেমন আর সোডা আর কিছু না. Okay, so we got done with First Flush. Now I'm going to my parents' place. and I'll see you after that. So this is just a casual Sunday in my life. This is what I do. I wake up, I go out for lunch, then I go visit my parents, and if I have to do some shopping, I do it, and then I have dinner. I actually love going out on the weekends. That's what I do because मेरा जॉब ऐसा है कि मुझे घर पे बैठ के ही काम करना पड़ता है and every single day. So weekends is something that I look forward to go out with my friends. Abhi I'm waiting for my Uber to arrive and then I'm gonna go see my parents. I realized I just said Sunday. Today is actually Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. What I meant is it's just another casual weekend like Saturday in my life. Going to my parents right now and cut to my hair wash. By the way, service was not up to the mark and I wasn't quite happy. I'm here in Hindustan Street, Hindustan Park, and I'm here at Chai Wala. Chai Wala is a cute cafe. When we entered, वहाँ पे कोई नहीं था, and I prefer a little khali khali, and of course, some tea. I had jasmine tea, and ooh, the fragrance. It was so calming. And बोलते हैं ना चाय पे अड्डा, वही हो रहा था. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा fresh lime soda, and ooh, बहुत refreshing था. Now we're just roaming around and we are outside Dayroom Cafe and my friend wants to have South Indian but we went to Garden Cafe and we were kicked out because it was already 10 o'clock and they were closing. आज की dinner नहीं तोड़ चलना. Finally, Bonafide was open so we went there. It's a very pretty cafe. So right now we are in Bonafide because यही खुला था. Everything else is closed, so we decided to ditch South Indian and go for masala omelette. I ordered an omelette, but it was extremely dry and the food is not good. This was the second time that I was disappointed. The omelette is dry, no? Okay. I don't know why they make it dry. Okay guys, I just realized my vlog khatam karna bhul gayi. So I picked up 1 week from my life and gave it all to you because you guys wanted to see what a week would look like. So many good things happened and thank you so much again for supporting me and for loving me so much. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel guys, please subscribe. सिर्फ 1 second लगता है subscribe करने में, so do subscribe right now. Also like this video and comment what kind of vlogs you're looking for. And I'm gonna see you in my next video very soon. Love you and go forth and dazzle.